In this video, I'm going to tell you the best work from home opportunity for students. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do to start making money and killing it. Going to class full time, but you're still broke. Your schedule is completely maxed out. You're going to lectures, uh, but you're not earning any money, right? So you're paying money for tuition, rent, food, gas. Some of you have your parents paying for this and you don't really recognize, like, during this time as a student, it's still very important that you make money along the way. Okay. Even if you got a student loan, like, once you get out, you're going to have to pay back that loan and you're going to have a strong answer for how to do that. And a lot of times, a full time job still won't be enough for you to cover all the costs that are associated with being on your own. So, what I recommend you do is that you pick an opportunity where you can get reoccurring income. Okay. That's the holy grail of money making is instead of, finding new customers every single month, what you want is reoccurring income. Okay. So don't waste your time with online jobs like surveys, micro tasks, you know, driving Uber or like DoorDash. These are very small payouts that won't bring enough like real income. Okay. I'm talking about $10,000 a month or more. Okay. So you want something that's reoccurring, and I have the answer for you. I will reveal it here shortly. Okay. The answer is affiliate marketing simply because you can get started immediately with no website, no products or inventory, and no customer service. All you have to do is promote someone else's product. Okay. Now, all you have to do is post videos on the short form platforms. Everyone that you see making money is a creator and they post videos. Okay. Now, the way I teach it is you don't necessarily have to show your face if you don't want to, but you need to be posting short form content. All right. Most people fail at affiliate marketing simply because they sign up for an affiliate program, but they don't have any training. They don't really know what they're doing. But with this specific opportunity, I teach you exactly what to do. Okay. So not only are you getting the best affiliate program in the world, you're also getting training on exactly how to earn your commissions. All right. So, like I said, I teach you everything. I teach you how to promote on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. All right. And the reason I suggest short form videos is because now anyone can reach a large audience in a short amount of time. When I first started affiliate marketing over a decade ago, this was impossible. Okay. You needed a huge following already to gain any traction with affiliate marketing. Whereas now with short form content, you can go viral with a brand new account with no following. Okay. Now, when I say you're referring other people to someone else's product, that doesn't mean like referring your friends or your family members or being shady like that. What I'm saying is you just simply post on social media. But when you first start out at this, right, like I said, like most affiliate programs don't give you the training. So you start a new account, you want to promote your thing, but you're shadow banned because you don't understand how to warm up an account properly. You don't understand like shadow bans or why your videos are stuck at low views. There's a very specific process that needs to happen that I teach you when you sign up for this affiliate program. Okay. Then from there, once you warm up your account, you need to post videos that actually gain views. Right. And I teach you the viral video framework that the top performing videos are using. So I went in and I analyzed thousands of the top performing views. I'm talking about a million to 10 million views. And I recognized that they're all using the exact same framework. Okay. There's a lot of similarities. And it's actually very easy to create. It's not like these people are super charismatic or, super talented or requires like amazing editing. It's actually very, very simple. And you'll be amazed when you see it. Like it's so easy to create. All right. So you actually have a chance then with a properly warmed up account and the right framework to actually go viral consistently and reach new people. Okay. So from there, I teach you how to automate the entire process. Okay. You automate the posting and then you scale with multiple accounts. I teach you everything on how to scale this opportunity to make $10,000 a month or more with this exact opportunity. All right. Now, obviously, this beats a normal part time job because it takes way less time, maybe about a half hour a day to film, edit, and post the content. And obviously, job sucks. They pay pennies, and then you got to go back and imagine with reoccurring commissions, like 5 years from now, you could still be benefiting off of the work that you do today. Okay. And it grows over time instead of the same payouts every single few weeks. All right. Now, you don't need to be a good on camera. You don't need to be good at social media to start this. Literally anyone can do this because I teach you exactly what to do. Okay. Like I said, there's no website, no handling products, no customer service. All right. All you do is post content. Once you join, you'll get your unique affiliate link. You'll get your training, and the commissions are automatically paid out directly to you. All right. This is perfect for students who are willing to work, all right, and they just need the right opportunity. Okay. And with the right viral account warm up, the right uh, viral video method, they can absolutely make that happen. Okay. I'll tell you about it right now. First, I want you to subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up button on this video, comment your income goals below, share this with a friend who wants to make some money, watch this video 100 times over to help me grow. And finally, if you're ready for the best affiliate program in the world and to start making money as a college student, hit the link in the description below and let's make some money.